wouldn't say that an essay would necessarily improve a student's chances of being admitted to UMass. Instead, I would really see it as rounding out the holistic review process for us. Because we don't have interviews, it's really a chance for us to get to know the individual beyond paper. So beyond their transcripts, the classes that they've chosen, what they do outside of the classroom, their references in their resume. This is really a chance for us to hear the student speak for the first time, which is really important. It's just impossible for us to do 43,000 interviews for the application process. So the essay, I would say, is really just a way to round out the application. No one should ever stress out about it. It's not going to be something that keeps a student from coming to the university. So they really shouldn't get to the point where it's causing them so much anxiety that they can't write.